Hey girl, hey. So today we gonna pressure can us some turkey sausages. I went and got 3 of these from BJ's. They only had 4. Stay with me. So I took them all out the pack. I started cutting them up. And as I cut them up, I already had my clean jars in the back, my lids, everything clean and ready to go. So I cut them up and I started to add them to the jars. Now, I thought about it. I said, "Do I want to can them alone?" I said, we gonna saute us some vegetables to put up in here." So I got my green peppers, my onions, all that there, right? Boom. I added a little bit of broth so I can have a little bit more. Now, what I'm doing this time, I'm scooping the juices in just for the sausages because some people don't like the vegetables, whatever. Now, once my jars are full, I'm going to clean them with the vinegar. I'm going to add my tops to them, fingertip tight. If you're using your wrist, you're doing too much. Boom, that's how one looks, and that's the one that has the vegetables in there. So I go ahead and load my canner up. I already added my water, as you can see. I add a little bit of vinegar in there because I keep my jars clean. And I inspect my top, I clean it, and then I go oil my gasket, and then I add everything together, put it up there, get it up to my temperature. I cook these for about 65 minutes. Bam. I think I made like 10 of them this time.